Hello everyone, this is David from China and welcome to Coding Destination. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to use emojis in our website using HTML code, and I guess most of you didn't know about that. So when you are using your phone, it's easy to use emojis because you will have the option of a lot of emojis, but in your computer you don't know how to use that. So today we're gonna learn that. I will open my Sublime text and create a new file, and I will just save it as index.html. So I will just write the main text and I will give the title of, let's say, emojis. So firstly, I want to give a style, so I will just say style, and I will only have one paragraph in my website, so in my HTML, so I will just say font size. It should be, let's say, 25 pixels because I want to make the text bigger and then you can see the emojis clearly. So I will open the paragraph inside the body and I can say here are several, let's say, several emojis you can see. And then I will start writing the emoji code. So you have to know that if you want to use emojis in your website, you have to write their code. So it is firstly and also hash parameter and also 126552. Firstly, it's one emoji. So let me just check whether it's working or not. So I will just go to my desktop and open the file index.html. So as you can see, we can see one emoji here. So the code of this emoji is like this. So if you want to know the other emojis, you can just change the last two numbers of this code. So I will just copy this one first, and I will just paste it and I will change the last two number to, let's say, 25. So here it is. Oh my gosh, I guess you liked the video, that's why this emoji is like this. So I will just copy one more time. Let's just write several emojis. So change the last number 25 into 30 maybe. Oh my gosh, it looks like me. Oh my god. So let's just write one more. So I will just copy this one and change the last number 30 into, let's say, 40. So oh my gosh, that's the end of this video. As you can see, it's not so hard to use emojis in your website, so it's just simple. So see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And also you can share the videos with your friends. So goodbye.